Maharaja Surajmal Jat. He fought numerous battles against the Mughals. Crushed the Mughal army of Salabat Khan. Sambhaji Maharaj. He fought 140 battles against Aurangzeb till the age of 30. But was brutally tortured and murdered by Aurangzeb. Rani Karnavati of Garhwal. She successfully repulsed a Mughal attack and chopped off the noses of the surviving invaders, earning her the title Nak Kati Rani. Rani Durgavati. She fought 51 gallant wars against many invaders including the Mughals 3 times and never lost. She fought against Akbar's commander Asaf Khan and the neighboring Malwa Sultan Baz Bahadur. Chhatraizel Bundela. He raised the banner of revolt against the Mughals in Bundelkhand at the age of 22, with an army of 5 horsemen and 25